why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh I want to see Zhuhai. Please why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh I want to see Zhuhai. Please why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh I want to see Zhuhai. Please why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh I want to see Zhuhai. Please why don't you show me Zhuhai? Zhuhai, oh I want to see Zhuhai. Please why don't you show me Zhuhai?
These apartments look so cool. Let me just kind of show you where we are. So we are in Hengqin of Zhuhai. There's a mountain right over there to the left, and there's a bridge. I'll explain that too. And over there is the financial district, all those buildings of Hengqin, which is to be more realized soon. There's a little shopping complex over there of restaurants. And then the port to Macau is right over here. So in this particular video, and there's Ponto over there, which is like a supermarket. But in this particular video, I'm just curious to kind of get to know more about these apartments that look really interesting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk around the block and just kind of see it from different angles. And we'll create a video about it. So stay tuned. Zhuhai, China. This one is really close to me because Zhuhai is right next to Macau, which is where I live. This particular one, I'll put it up on the map behind me. And this is basically an apartment building that's right next to the University of Macau. And a lot of students are living there, and then they'll come across and just walk into Macau with their ID, go through immigration, and they're right on campus. It's like very, very quick. So this apartment building is kind of really beautiful. I think it's kind of a beautiful structure, beautiful design. It looks like it should be a lot more expensive, so I'm surprised so many students live there, and I don't know what that's all about. But I'll just show you exactly what it's there. So so next we're gonna walk around the building with a walk and talk, where I'll kind of talk about it. And yeah, all right, let's get right into it. Walk and talk time. Zhuhai. It's kind of interesting. So it looks like they're gonna grow all these trees or plants or shrubs from scratch. Oh, there's even a little windmill in there, that little red Dutch style windmill. These are really beautiful architecturally. Like, I like that green, and I also like that they all have these nice balconies. And for whatever reason, the street is being used a lot by e-scooters. So if you'll notice, those scooters, they don't have hardly any sound. So almost everything here is going quite green. So you have electric bikes and electric buses and electric everything. Huh, there's even like a gardener in there. So we're gonna be walking, there's a lot to say. I was gonna, that's a different angle. And then right here is this bridge. So I guess I should talk about that too. But this bridge right here, it goes all the way across the water and it goes into Macau. And then way in the distance over there, you can see Venetian Casino. So these ones with the cranes that are right here, these are all part of this side. But if you can look past these buildings, there's a golden one over there called the Galaxy Casino. That's on the Macau side. So that's how close we are to Macau. And then we're gonna walk around the block of these apartments right here. So I'm gonna bring the camera over there in a minute. And just check out this big red bus. That red bus is like a double-decker bus style, which I didn't know they had in Zhuhai. It says Zhuhai sightseeing bus. Huh, Zhuhai has a sightseeing bus? Did not know that. Okay, let me just see what this says real quick. So it looks like it's going to be the anniversary. So that's getting set up for a festival. Okay. It's like I didn't think there'd be so much to see already right here. But it says Hengqin Go, International Plaza, Headquarters, International Commerce Center, Legend Ponto Square, and the railway. So down that way is Ponto, and then down this way is Financial District. Okay, I gotta turn the camera off because this video is gonna get too long if I'm constantly. But my plan, anyways, is to walk around this entire apartment building. So let's just go down a little bit further. Okay, so we've moved over to the other side now. So there's the bridge that goes to Macau. These are the apartments that we're looking at from different angles. This is the road that we're on. And then over here it's like maybe like an ecological park of some kind. And you also have this mountain right on this other side of here. Huh. That mountain looks like it could be interesting to explore and climb. But anyways, now we're on this side. So we're gonna walk down this side and try to get the full perspective of it. And it also helps us give a better understanding of Hengqin and what's over here. I like these apartments. I think they're so beautiful, but it has like a very suburban style in nature, right? You kind of have like cars everywhere. Everything around you is cars, you know, driving or parked. But that's the way that things are, I guess, when you build it, when you have a lot of space and you're building it from central planning. Okay, so we're gonna walk straight down this way, and then hey, nice trees right there. And then we'll show it to you from another angle shortly. Actually, this is in a note. You can see like a ton of apartments that go all the way down that boulevard, down that way. And way down there, I think it's that boulevard, but there's a lot to see and explore around here. But you kind of need to be either on a car or a bike is the problem. Again, nice balconies here too. Okay, so let's go up to the next corner. I thought it was like this angle, these tall, beautiful green buildings, these nice balconies everywhere. Okay, so we're still following this particular road, and then we're gonna come up to our corner up here. One thing you'll notice for me is because of this ecological area, that whole space over there is like kind of preserved. There's a lot of sounds of chirping and birds and different insects and animals. I guess animals. So I don't know, it's like if you're up in here, you probably would hear the sounds of those birds and such from over there. Okay, so now we're coming back on the final stretch, and you can see the apartments again from here, and then over there is Ponto. And I'll probably, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the entrance of these apartments, and then I'll have the name on camera so you can look it up yourself. And then we're gonna go into the Ponto building right there, and then we're gonna go across to Macau. And now we're at the front gate, so it's called Acesite Mansion, which is written right here. So it says Acesite Mansion. Looks like a lot of students are going in there. So maybe a lot of the students from the University of Macau, they might live in these apartments, possibly, and then come across. It does look like mostly students. But if they do, it totally makes sense because these apartments are directly across from this venue right here. And this, my previous, let me just kind of walk this way, then I'll explain it a little bit further. But I did another video where I filmed on the other side of this, which also has a bunch of commercial activities. Yeah, these look like mostly students coming across. So that right there is those apartments that we walked around. And it does feel like there's mostly students coming in and out of there, which is kind of surprising because these apartments look so beautiful. They look like they should be for families with a father who has a good income or something like that. But it looks like it could be mostly students. And then as soon as you come into here, you have lots of different businesses like this one. The music might affect my video, so no. Okay. So yeah, basically it's a big shopping mall. You got even clothing. It's like multiple floors. So charging their phone there. Restaurants as well. This one is called Auntie Jenny. So there's restaurants, coffee shops. Huh. So you got quite a bit over here. Pacific Coffee is right over there. But actually, to be honest, it's not quite fully realized yet. So in the future, I think there'll be more to it. And if you go down, we can go all the way to Hengqin port. We're actually already at Hengqin port, so we're in the same building. We just have to walk all the way down. So, okay. So you can see some things down that way, and then down this way as well. You can also have supermarkets, restaurants, all kinds of stuff. So yeah, even places to sit and eat too. Okay, so we're basically could end the video, I think. But yeah, that's across the mall, and then Macau side is not too far from here as well. So that says retail, supermarket, food and beverage, and you can see a lot down this way. And then there's kind of stuff going on everywhere down here. Pharmacy and all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna you can even see Dairy Queen and Miniso bagel shop even. That's interesting. So so we're basically right next to the border right now. But yeah, I'm just giving you a small touch of all the stuff that's in here. I guess the Dairy Queen probably is just ice cream probably. Okay. Okay, so Chinese herbs and such. Okay, so we're gonna go underneath, and then we're basically at the border going to Macau. So we're gonna end the video. So right there, Macau.
Zhuhai.